Actually, he's like, screw the toy, I want to go for a swim.
Hey, Bear.
And Bear making his way over to the rim. And that felt good, huh, Bear? All right, Fern and Chris Barnes on the dock right now. One of my favorite dogs, and a real nice fellow, Chris. And Fern, just a lovely little lab. Sweet as can be. Good jumper, too. She's ready to get in that pool, you can tell, as Chris tries to get her in that set stay. All the dogs are measured from the same place. It's the tail set as it exits. The tail exits the dog, that right there. It's the same on every dog. And Chris with about 30 seconds. Here comes Fern. Kind of a new style of toss for Chris. Not one of Fern's best jumps. I think as Chris tried out a new style of tossing, but big round of applause for Chris and Fern.